ground off the wipers and defrost because it's a cold, almost June day, and it's rained almost every day since April. If I waited for a dry day, I would never seem to get it. I wanted my 64 out of storage, and she's running really well. My best car, my favorite car, I love this car. Even though it's raining, the roads are long since cleared off. There's no salt left for probably almost 2 months now. All the rain just washed all the stuff off. She looks outstanding. She drives outstanding. She's just my most reliable car, my most beloved car. It's probably the most well-known 1964 in Canada. It's been on TV shows and national publications. The 6364 Club did a feature on this girl. It's just an absolutely stunning automobile. And both my sons came home from the hospital in this car, and that's part of the reason she got published on TV, because not many new babies come home in a 1964 Cadillac anymore. So my goal this spring is to bring to my shop where she is now, and I'm going to do a tune-up. I was going to tune up since COVID. I put like 2,000 miles a year on it. Last year probably more. I drove it all the time. My daily drive in the summertime. But this year I think she needs a little bit of a tuning. But she is running really well, as you can tell. I'm just going to change all the filters and make sure that nothing's plugged in the fuel system. The filter on the carb and on inline, and also points as well. The plugs and wires are still new, but I think the points might be ready for a change. She's running great, but not as good as I know she can. So I'll keep you posted on my updates, and I'll talk to you all very soon. And I'll probably splice into my next conversation, maybe the 72, and see what happens. Hi everybody, as promised, update 1972 Cadillac Sedan DeVille. This is the finished driver's side rocker. Just both inner and outer have been replaced. This is all custom bent. You cannot even buy these reproduced. So he took it to what they call a brake and got the right curvature and form and welded it in all the way where I needed it. And on this side, the passenger side, it only needs this here to there. The rest of the rocker is still good. So we lucked out on that. So the next step from him is to finish this side, hang the new gas tank and sending unit, new lines, and then I'm going to come to my shop. I'm going to buff and try and get this paint to shine so it's good for the auction, and put white walls on it, and it's going to go for best offer. Now you can see the new body mounts. Quick overview: this car has brand new brakes, complete brake service, new brake master cylinder, new brake lines, hard and soft lines. It's got a new heater core, so it will pass mechanical safety, heated air to the windshield. It has a new alternator, new battery, new voltage regulator. The list is endless. And new rockers, as I said, wherever she needed strengthening, she got it. So I'm hoping to get this dull paint shiny, and I think I will, because I'm pretty good at making things look pretty. And people keep asking me, because they know how much I've done to this car, and they know how good it is. It'll walk through any mechanical inspection once it's done here. How much is the car? And I'm not sure if they don't know what an auction is, or they don't hear me say auction. Auction means it goes to the highest offer. So I own the car, but I don't even know what it's going to sell for. I have no idea. All I want is my investment back, and a little bit of profit. That's it. Because in return, I saved this Cadillac. How many other people would have done this work to it? Not many, I'm sure of that. We're getting the rocker solid and replaced and curved, just curved and bent perfectly. It's just a beautiful old Cadillac, and anything 1976 and older now is hot, hot, hot. I'm astounded at what these cars are selling for. And I'm saying selling, not asking. I don't pay attention to what someone asks. I pay attention to what it actually goes for. And these are record-breaking sales because pre-76 is the last of the massive Cadillacs. 77 was big downsizing. The cars were miniature in comparison to this monster, but she's a beautiful monster. But either way, for people want the last of the last of the last truly gigantic Cadillac cars. These are them, 76 and back. So the 472 Turbo 400, 67,000 original miles. Once its paint is gleaming and the chrome is polished, it's going to just look outstanding and be performing as well as it looks. So thank you all for watching. Hopefully it'll be in my shop in a couple of weeks, and then I can get on the market and it can go to the best offer. May the best man win. Enjoy your day, and I'll see you all down the road.